You are going to love the 2020 Impreza. A spirited drive and lifestyle-equipped amenities make Subaru Impreza the smart choice for dynamic people. Full throttle fun and performance grounded in safety and efficiency. This vehicle has less than 7,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: all-wheel drive, heated mirrors, aluminum wheels, rear spoiler, brake assist, daytime running lights, LED headlights, tires, rear performance, fog lamps, integrated turn signal mirrors. A vehicle like this doesn't come along every day. Come in and get it before someone else does.